Online class for kids.
Hello, our dear viewers. Welcome to another exciting episode here at Online Class for Kids. Playing games outside with our friends is super fun. But did you know that there are a lot of germs and viruses that linger in the dirt? But despite this, we don't get sick every time we go out. Isn't that amazing? This is because of our immune system. The immune system is our body's defense against sickness and infection. It's like our own personal knight in shining armor. It attacks germs and helps keep us healthy. Our body has an immune response whenever it detects a pathogen in our body. Different body organs work together to make up our immune system. This includes the bone marrow, thymus gland, the spleen, and the tonsils. The bone marrow is responsible for producing white blood cells, called lymphocytes. We have over 1 trillion lymphocytes in our body and are classified either as B cells or T cells. B cells are called as such because they mature in the bone marrow. B cells fight infection by making antibodies. T cells, on the other hand, mature in the thymus gland and are the one that coordinates the immune system to attack by recruiting and activating other immune system cells. T cells, further categorized as killer T cells and helper T cells. Killer T cells destroy infected cells by releasing toxic chemicals. Helper T cells release chemicals that cause other immune system cells to recognize and fight infections. Most B and T cells die after an infection, but we have what are called memory cells that remember a pathogen and make immune responses faster the next time our body encounters such a pathogen. This is what we call immunity, or our body's ability to fight off and resist disease. The second organ involved in the thymus gland, found inside the chest behind the breastbone. This gland stores some types of lymphocytes while they mature. The spleen is also part of the immune system, as its job is to filter our pathogens in our bloodstream. And lastly, our tonsils trap the pathogens that enter our body either through the mouth or nose. What can you do to keep your immune system healthy? You can do this by getting vaccinated. Vaccination is the process of exposing our body to pathogens on purpose so that we develop an immunity against them. Getting all the recommended vaccines as early as possible can keep us healthy. We also need to regularly wash our hands and get plenty of sleep and exercise to keep our body healthy. Now that we have learned about the immune system, let's have a short review. Answer the following questions. What is our body's defense against sickness and infection? Very good. What are the four organs of the body that make up the immune system? The bone marrow, thymus gland, spleen, and tonsils. Good job! Fill in the blanks. Cells fight infection by making antibodies. They are B cells. Wonderful. I hope you had a wonderful time learning about the immune system. See you next time for another fun-filled learning only here at Online Class for Kids. Visit onlineclassforkids.com for more fun learning videos and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.